Yo, what is up, y'all? So today we are fishing in the San Diego River and we're gonna try to catch some bass, some bluegill maybe. This is like my second time fishing here, so and I did catch some bass here. They're pretty small, but you know, it's something. So hopefully we catch something today. So I hope it's not. Ah, man. What the? Yeah, I don't think I'm catching anything here. Maybe some bluegill. Jesus. What the? Oh no. Yeah, it's not even deep. It's like 2 feet deep. All right, let's try that again. Jesus. All right. Well, we're gonna try a different spot.
What's up, man?
What's up? Any good fishing spots here?
Yeah, right inside the gate of Alcala.
Uh-huh.
On this side, though, on this side, just cut right inside the gate. There's a tiny little trail, and then the iron gate, when you hit it.
Which gate?
There's an iron gate, man. You can't see it from here.
Right here?
Inside the fence, walk that way until you hit the iron gate. When you hit the iron gate, you have to go around the iron gate and go back up.
Oh, okay. Got you. Appreciate it. Oh, okay. I think he was talking about this right here. Damn, everything is so green, bruh. What the hell? Oh. See how deep this water is. Oh, this is not even that deep either. All right, let's go somewhere else. I hope a snake don't come out and bite me. Alright. Alright, this is kind of suspect. Alright. Fuck it, we're already here. Okay. Ooh, I hear some bass jumping. I'm pretty sure this spot would be really good, only if I had space to fish or to cast. Damn. Okay. Right or left? Let's go right. Hey, you know any fishing spots?
Huh?
Some good fishing spots around here?
Yeah.
Where at?
Where you walk from?
Fish.
You say?
Yeah. You know any spots to fish?
Yeah, you pass one over there. Some over here.
Oh, okay. All right. I've been here before, but I was walking through the other side. Huh?
You close to it over there?
Keep going?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I don't fish, but I just come get my stuff here.
All right. I came here last time, but it was on the other side. But it's blocked with people, so I didn't want to bother.
You use it, but you don't use it right now.
Oh. Huh?
My friend ripped my tarp. I just
He ripped your tarp? Why?
take this.
And you call him your friend? Down here? All right. Oh yeah. Oh, this is a good spot right here. All right, you guys. Let's see if we could catch anything. Come on, come on. All right, you guys. I didn't have luck on any spot that I went to. No bites, nothing. But I'm at the spot where I caught the carpet, and I'm gonna try to fish for bluegill with these right here. So, put that away. I got a bobber, that worm, and then a hook weight on the bottom right here. These bluegills right here, they'll bite anything. I wonder if they'll bite on this plastic worm. Come on, just one fish. Oh, there you go. I'm getting bit. There you go. Woohoo! Nice little bluegill or sunfish, whatever it's called, on a fake worm. I didn't even think that would work. But like I said, they bite anything over here. You go slap on some bread too and they'll still bite it. Here you go. I don't know why I came over here. And we get to reuse the fake worm. I'm gonna throw him back right here. There you go. Oh, there you go. They're biting it.